information on kids, because that's where most users would start. The homepage offers two different ways to access content. First, if you're not exactly sure what you're looking for today, and you just want to browse the rich content on kids, click Explore. In the Explore section, there are visual cues and interactive buttons that kids can use to dig in to one of the topics, which include arts, history and government, living things, people, places, science and mathematics, sports and hobbies, and world religions. Users can then dig deeper into their discovery. When you've reached the last browse level, you'll find search results listing everything matching the browse category in both images and article links. So here we see a list of all the articles related to mountains, of which there are 30. In the top right corner, click More Information to reveal just the photos and videos. Next, we'll look at how to conduct a search for a topic. This is perhaps the most common way to find information on kids. Click into the search bar and enter a search term here. I'm going to try to look up plants. Notice that the predictive search gives article suggestions as the user types in letters. Choosing one of these options will take you directly to that article. You can also type in an entire term and press the magnifying glass to find all the articles, pictures, videos, and maps that relate to your search term. Now, let's take a look at an article. The layout of kids' articles have been revamped to include large, stunning splash imagery to capture kids' attention right away. Click the blue triangle in the bottom right-hand corner to reveal the caption and photo credit, and simply click it again if you want to hide it. Each article is organized using 4 tabs, which you can see at the top. The article view, standards, pictures, videos, and more information. We'll check out the article view first. In this view, each page is organized so that all media, pictures, videos, audio, and maps align in a column to the left of the main article text. This results in a clean and uncluttered display that is easy to read and understand. Articles feature a larger, more readable font, which makes the pages more streamlined and less text-heavy. As a result, the text hierarchy is clearer. Section headings have a unique style treatment to draw the reader through the content. The header also remains fixed at the top of the page as you scroll down, so that you can access the article title, the article view, standards, pictures, videos, and more information, as well as the article contents and the tools icons, which we'll look at a little bit later. You can double-click on any word in the article to bring up its definition in a pop-up window from the World Book Kids Dictionary. You can enter another search term here to look up a different word, or you can just close out of the dictionary by clicking the X in the top right. The dictionary is also accessible in the feature container on the homepage of Kids. Let's keep going. Please note that at the very bottom of the article, Kids displays citation information in MLA, APA, and Harvard formats to make it easy for students to cite their sources. Depending on what products you have included in your subscription, you can also get to an article of the same topic in World Book Student, which is written at a little bit higher level, or you can get to the same article in BBH or Découvert, our Spanish and French versions of Kids. Clicking this blue top arrow in the bottom right corner allows you to jump back up to the top of the article page without scrolling. Clicking this blue speaker icon will enable the read aloud function. Students that want to hear the article read to them can click this button. as it reads, it will highlight the word that it is on in the text.
Plants are living things that grow in almost every part of the world.
Let's view the other available tabs in this article. The Standards tab will take you directly to the state standards to which this particular article is aligned. It will be geolocated to your state, but you can change to any other state or national standards like Common Core or Next Generation standards. The Pictures, Videos, and More tab contains all the images, videos, and maps from the article, plus additional media from elsewhere on the site. You can also browse pictures, videos, and maps from an icon on the furthest left-hand side of the feature container on the home page. Next up is the More Information tab. This tab holds links to related articles, games, activities, websites, science projects, and more. You can also find lesson plans, discussion questions, and content standards here as well. Article contents live in this drop-down menu at the top right corner. You can click here to find lexile measures and article sections. You can jump to any section in the article from here to speed up your research. Finally, tools are accessible from this gear icon. This drop-down menu allows you to save, download, save to Google Drive, share via Google Classroom or email, print, view citations, translate this text into over 100 languages, or adjust the read aloud settings, like the speed or the voice.